Life on nature. Wake up, my dear. Your success is near. Look at the nature. Think about the future. We're protected by environment. But what is your fulfillment? Destroying nature for personal ambition, or using nature for personal satisfaction? Stop your wrongdoing. Look at where you're going. Let us protect one another. We can heal this together. Start now and be brave. We have generation to save. Everyone has an ambition. Do it with nature's preservation. Start in simple deeds. It will grow like a seed. Love our nature and care. Do something and share. May steer